There is another activity on page number 12 that is about verbs. Here they want us to underline the verbs in the following sentences. Before doing this, it is important for us to know what is the meaning of verb. As you know that verbs are the action words in a sentence and they describes what the subject is doing, what the subject is performing action in the sentence. Okay? So keep your pencils in your hands to underline the action words or verbs in the following sentences. Once upon a time, there was a man who lived in a village. So what do you think? What is the action being happening in this sentence? Lived is the action. We will underline lived. Lived is our verb. Why? Because the man is doing what? He is living. He is performing the action of living in a village. So lived is our verb. But why we will underline was? Because was is known as helping verb. And what is the meaning of helping verb? Helping verbs always helps the main verb in a sentence to add more detail to tell us how time is conveyed in a sentence. Okay? So was is telling that this thing happened in past. Got it? In number B, one day in the forest he was chopping down a tree for his fire. So what is the action happening in second sentence? Which action is happening there? Was chopping. Underline was chopping. Again was is a helping verb and again helping verb is adding more details and telling us how time is which time that thing has happened. Which time he was chopping? In past he was doing it. Okay? In C, he felt very hungry in the afternoon and wanted some food. So what do you think? What are the action words here? Felt and wanted. They are the two things that shows action in the sentence. Suddenly he saw a black cloud coming towards him. So what is the action happening in this sentence? Saw and coming. Underline both of them. In E, heavy rain poured down and man took shelter under the tree. What happened here? Poured is our verb and took is our verb. They both are the action words. In last, then he noticed the fruit in the tree and ate some. So what are the action words here? Noticed and ate. And the last one is here. When the rain stopped, he picked up his axe and went home. When rain stopped, what action he performed? He stopped. When rain stopped, action number 1, he picked action number 2 and went home. This is the action number 3. Understood, girls?